Hi guys, it's me Terry of the Yarnjoy podcast. I was tagged by Krista of The Secret Yarnery. She and Glenda of Creative Grandma have issued a granny challenge, and they are calling it the Season of the Granny, and this is going to be running from now until March the 18th. And so this is going to be a fun thing that everybody can take part in and share their pictures of their projects. And so as the title says, Season of the Granny, so it's going to be involving making things with granny squares. Any type of stitch, doesn't have to be the granny square stitch. Basically it's just squares that you're going to put together and make projects with, and then post pictures of them on social media. She said you could post pictures on Instagram and use the hashtag Season of the Granny, okay? And I will put that hashtag in the description box below so you can see how it's written out. And so she made a video, Krista that is, and tagged several people to issue the challenge to them. So yes, Krista, I accept the challenge. By the way, I'm already working on some granny squares in a crochet along that I'm hosting, so it fits right in with your challenge. Okay, so let me give you some examples. Okay, so you can make blankets. Okay, so here is a granny square blanket that I made. Okay, you can make bags. I made this tote quite a while ago, okay, using squares, okay. I am working on beside the crochet along, which is going to be making one of these, and I will post in the description box below the tutorial on how I did this, okay. I am also working on a granny summer bag, which I hope to be able to do a tutorial on that when I get closer to it being finished, okay. Here is a sneak peek of the colors that I am using for that granny tote project, okay. You can make slippers, and if you don't like to put lots of squares together like the sewing or whatever, well, you could do a join as you go. I do have a video below that's got a join as you go method on how you can put squares together, so I will link that in this description box below. You can also make a big square and make it, turn it into ponchos. And I know there's granny stitch ponchos, there's granny stitch shawls, there are all kinds of projects that you can make. Okay, so this is just for fun. It's a way to unite the community together and just make grannies. So I'm going to tag some people to put forth this challenge to them. Okay, so I'm going to tag Victoria, Alaska Crafty Gal Victoria is her channel name, Brenda of My Puggaful Life, Nicole of Addicted to Yarn, Carrie Penny, the Happy Crafty Homemaker, Lisa, Happy to Hook Creations, and Denise, Black Ribbon Crochet Studio. Okay, ladies, let's see your granny projects. Post them on the Facebook pages, hashtag Season of the Granny. You can post them on Instagram, hashtag Season of the Granny. But let's just have a lot of fun and inspire each other on how to use grannies. Okay, I will talk to you later, guys. Have a great day. Bye.